All right, guys, here we go. Browner, personal box, gold standard. Let's get it. He's won that Daniel Jones. He's not just on the bandwagon. He is a Giants fan. Let's see what we can find here. Gold standard. I think I have like 3 boxes remaining of gold standard. And I am out. Number 75, Lamar. All right, this is ridiculous. Lamar Jackson. This is crazy. Talk about, okay. Wait. Early to 99. Emmanuel Sanders to 199 Gold Rush Relic. Deshaun Watson to 199 Gold Gear Jumbo. 199 Nick Bosa. Nick Bosa to 199. Then we have Brett Ripien to 199 Golden Rookies autograph. And I mean, you literally can't make it up. Seven of 49 rookie dual patch auto gold ink. Daniel Jones. That's what's up. Gotta get that confetti. Browner, Daniel Jones, dual patch auto rookie. There you have it. Gold standard football.